Morning, good Sunday to you. Double clutch or grind here on a beautiful Sunday morning. It is October 5th, 2024, and it's about 8:45 in the morning. Temperature today should be 101 in October. That's kind of crazy. We've had some pretty hot weather over the week, record-breaking temperatures. Anyways, guys, I went to Harbor Freight yesterday and Walmart, and I picked up a few items for today. Subject, which would be oil change. This one here is a supertech 1040. It's just all mile coverage, basically conventional protection, and a supertech filter. And what this is a replacement for the PH8A, which is what the Fords use on the 429, 390, and 360. All this here was 20 bucks. 17 for this, $2.99 for the filter, and then went to Harbor Freight and picked up a grease gun. These are like $13.99, and they come with a 3-ounce tube of grease, which is graphite, I believe. And then I bought this little hose here for like $4 and I added it to that. It normally comes with a steel tube, and I just took out the nozzle at the end and then replaced it with a rubber tube. Now the only problem is too is you really can't get a wrench in there to tighten down this nut, so I had to use the tube to tighten it as best I could, but it's working out so far so good. Okay guys, so today's subject is oil change and or lubing the chassis. Let's get started. Alright, so along with the oil and all, I picked up a pair of filter pliers. These were like $4. They're on sale. And these were also $4. They're foam knee pads. The fancy ones were a little more expensive, but I'm only going to use these for a few times during the year. Okay, so on the ball joints we have Zerk fittings here, and they're pretty dirty from all the grime. Also on the kingpin as well, here and on the bottom, we have a Zerk fitting as well. So we're gonna have to clean those off so that we can get those channels cleaned. Oh, I need my little rag here. Paper towel. Alright. Alright. A little bit of a brake cleaner should do the trick. Alright. We'll start with the kingpin on top. Alright. See if I can get some of that grease in there. Try the bottom one. But once again, guys, it's got a difficult under. That should be enough. It must be dry because it's Alright, it's getting there. There we go. There we go. So you see the grease coming out of the top here. Alright. Alright guys, I have the most strangest looking drain plug. So I'm going to show it to you right now. I'm going to unleash the oil. I'll make sure this lands in the right spot here. Strangest. I've never seen this before in my life. I have no idea it's even original equipment. It's coming off. It's not so black right now, but it looks like it's yeah, it looks like it needs to be changed, but it's not. I can still see brown on it, kind of a golden color. So I'm switching to 1040 weight. Alright, anyways, the drain plug doesn't come out. It just sort of like hangs in there, like some kind of an anchor. Well, it's funny, I guess you'll never lose it. Alright, tighten it back up again. It's got like a wing nut kind of thing on it. It's really hurts, and you need a pair of pliers pretty much to turn it. Alright, let me grab my pliers here. Don't need to torque it down or anything, just until it stops. All this oil, you know, all it does is attract grit, dirt. All right, finger tight, good. All right, we're done here. All right, so I got the supertech. It's ST16, and this is compatible with the PH8A with a Ford big blocks. But here's the thing, though, it's a little bit smaller. So I hope it'll fit. According to the Walmart manual, it said that it was correct for my engine. So we'll give it a try. Well, it went on. Huh. I was surprised. Best $297 I ever spent at Walmart for a filter. Guys, I reviewed a lot of this, watched a lot of reviews on the supertech oil and filters, and guys, it's compatible to Valvoline, and the filter here was actually, two companies make it. One of them was Wix. Alright guys, so we're gonna, that's hand tighten, we're just gonna go ahead and fill up the oil. Alright, found me a bigger funnel. There we go. I'll let this drain for a bit. Alright guys, while I let the oil drain to the engine, I'll go ahead and take the recycled oil out and into a coolant container. This should be enough. Yeah, looks good, guys. Alright guys, next on the agenda is the universal power brake check valve. I got brakes, but I don't have a lot of power on them, so I'm thinking hopefully it's the check valve that's out and not the booster. So this was a cheaper route to test it. And after that, if it doesn't work, I'll go ahead and check the hoses, and after that, then I know it's going to be the power booster. Take off the hose here. Alright, the booster valve's on. Put a little bit of gun lube on it. Kind of worked out. Alright, let's go ahead and start it up. Alright, let's give it a, we'll call it try and see what the pressure looks like. Little pump here. Choke. Start. Low. Low. Climbing, up, getting higher. Alright, looks normal, guys. Let's go check for leaks. Alright, looks good, guys. Alright guys, that concludes our brake booster valve and oil change lubrication video for today. You guys have an excellent weekend. We'll see you again real soon. It's already 90 degrees out here. 95. It's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so stay cool, hydrated, and be safe. We'll see you again. Bye for now.